Exercise 1. Dumbbell lying supine curl. Engages biceps from a stretched position while lying on a flat surface. This angle increases muscle tension through full range of motion, maximizing fiber activation. Keep elbows stable and avoid swinging. Ideal for isolating biceps peaks and enhancing muscle definition. Exercise 2. Dumbbell kneeling wader biceps curl on bench. Focuses on inner biceps and forearm stability by keeping palms up throughout the curl. The kneeling position reduces momentum, ensuring stricter form. Maintains slow, controlled movement for maximum contraction. Enhances arm aesthetics and grip control. Exercise 3. Dumbbell Zottman curl. A dual action movement targeting biceps on the curl up and forearms on the lowering phase. Supinate while curling, then pronate while lowering slowly. This variation builds both size and strength. Excellent for balancing biceps and forearm development. Exercise 4. Dumbbell wader biceps curl. Performed with palms up as if holding a tray, emphasizing biceps peaks. Keep elbows tucked and avoid wrist bending. Focus on smooth, controlled curls to isolate the muscles. Great for creating definition and enhancing overall arm appearance. Exercise 5. Dumbbell squatting concentration curl. A classic biceps isolator done in a squat stance for strict form. Rest elbow against the thigh to eliminate body movement. Perform slow, deliberate curls to maximize peak contraction. This exercise sculpts biceps with enhanced separation and peak. Exercise 6. Dumbbell incline hammer curl. Targets long head of biceps and brachialis by curling in a stretched incline position. Neutral grip keeps tension on both biceps and forearms. Maintain steady tempo and avoid shoulder involvement. Ideal for adding arm thickness and balanced growth. Exercise 7. Dumbbell high curl. Performed with elbows lifted at shoulder height, keeping biceps under constant tension. This unique angle emphasizes peak contraction while reducing assistance from other muscles. Maintains strict form and controlled motion, excellent for maximizing biceps peaks and shaping. Exercise 8. Dumbbell cross body hammer curl. Targets brachialis and forearms by curling across the torso. The neutral grip provides constant tension, building arm thickness and strength. Perform slowly to prevent momentum. Excellent for developing balanced forearm biceps connection and functional power. Exercise 9. Dumbbell concentration curl. Classic isolation movement focused on biceps peak. Resting the elbow against the thigh eliminates body swing. Slow, controlled reps ensure maximum contraction. Ideal for building definition, separation, and enhancing muscle aesthetics. Exercise 10. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl. A versatile movement for overall arm growth. Alternating arms allows better focus on each side while reducing fatigue. Maintain strict form and supinate fully at the top. Builds symmetry and balance development across both biceps. Exercise 11. Dumbbell standing preacher curl. Mimics preacher bench support by bracing arms while standing. This isolates the biceps by minimizing shoulder involvement. Perform slow, controlled curls to maximize tension. Effective for building peak and detailed arm lines. Exercise 12. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl. Hold on. Adds an isometric challenge by holding one dumbbell at contraction while curling the other. This intensifies tension and builds endurance. Excellent for improving mind-muscle connection, bicep strength and size simultaneously. Exercise 13. Dumbbell alternate hammer curl. Focuses on brachialis and forearms with a neutral grip. Alternating arms provides balance training and endurance. Controlled tempo enhances tension throughout. Great for thicker, stronger arms with functional grip strength. Exercise 14. Dumbbell prone incline curl. Performed face down on an incline bench to eliminate momentum. Biceps work in strict isolation with full stretch and contraction. Keep elbows tight for maximum effect. Builds peaks and improves muscle definition with high precision. Exercise 15. Dumbbell seated hammer curl. Seated position restricts body swing while hammer grip targets brachialis and forearms. Keep movement steady and elbows close. Promotes thicker arms and balanced growth. Ideal for controlled strength building and aesthetic shaping.